Good evening, class. Sorry for the wait. So without much talk, let's start. So this is week 13 and our topic is probably sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So this is week 13 and our topic for week 13 is probability and combinatorics. So our focus is Venn diagram, applications, permutation and combination, basic probability rules, discrete and continuous random variables. Then the topics will be taught with full theory and examples, and we also solve JUPEB style exam questions. So first thing is Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram is like a diagram that shows all possible logical relations between a finite collection of data. So like an example is in a class of 40 students, so they told us 23 people take maths. So we would name maths M and 25 take English, and we take English as E, and 10 take both subjects. So drawing the Venn diagram, would have sorry, my line is not straight, but there's meant to be like a line here joining the both of them. And from here we know that 40 that the total number of students is 40, and 23 take maths, and 25 take English, and 10 take both of them, and 20 and 25 take both of them. So in our Venn diagram we're going to have 10 inside here, and here we take here as M is 23, and we take here as E, and E is 25. Then the total number is 40. So this is our Venn diagram. Please don't mind my drawing. This is our Venn diagram. So this part now is and 40 here is the total number. So going back to the question, they were asked how many students take maths only and take English only, and both and neither. So using the Venn diagram for only maths now, since we know that the total number is 23, and to find those that take just maths alone, we minus the number of people that are taking both maths and English from the people taking maths. So we know that um 10 people are taking both maths and English, so we would minus 10 from 23, having the only people that take maths as 13. So we have only maths 13. Then to find the people taking English alone, would minus 10, that's the number of people taking both maths and English from English. So we'll have 25 minus 10, which is going to give us 15. And we already know that the people taking both is 10. The question is asking for those taking maths only, English only, both, and we already know the people taking both is 10. So that we're looking for those taking at least one subject. That's at least the person is offering one subject. So we're going to add the amount of people taking only maths, and the amount of people taking only English, and the amount of people taking the both of them. Because as you're taking the both of them, you're taking at least one of the subjects. So we're going to add everything together. That's 38. So we're trying to find the people that are taking none at all. So that's going to be 40 minus those taking at least one. And that's just 2 people taking none of the subjects. Do you understand? Or is there any question, or should I continue?
Come again.
So Using your
You
Venn
can.
diagram.
Okay.
Yes,
I'm
the
here.
Venn. So in
But
your question, the example they told you in a class of 40 students, that's the total number of students is 40. 23 take maths, 25 take English, 10 both take both subjects. That's 10 take both maths and English. So now the question is asking us to find how many take only maths and how many take only English and how many take both and those that are taking none. So let me show you how to draw the Venn diagram again. So first of all, like you draw a square, then have two circles inside depending on the number of data. For now, we have like a number of, we have just two data, that's math and English. So like there's meant to be like something joining these two circles here. This inner intersection here, this inner intersection here is for those taking both. For instance, we name here as M and we name here as E. That's this circle. The first circle is for those taking math, and the second circle is for those taking English. So we're going to write the value of math, that's equal to 23. And then we're going to write the value of English, that's equal to 25. And the question told us that the people taking both maths and English, they are 10 in number. So here, that's to show you this is an intersection between the both of them. These two people here, they are both here and they are both here. Do you understand? So this is how to draw the Venn diagram. So back to the question, we're trying to find how many people take only maths. So in our in from the question, we know that 23 people take maths. But then in that 23 people, there are still some people that are taking both maths and English. So we're trying to know those that take only maths. And we've been told that 10 people are taking both subjects. So we want to know we have to minus the 10 people that are taking both subjects from the mathematics. And those 10 people, that's 23 minus 10, that's 13. And when you have 13 students are the people taking only mathematics. They're not taking, none of them are taking both maths and English. They're taking only mathematics because we're minus the 10 people that are taking both maths and English. So the same thing goes for English. We're trying to find the amount of people taking only English. We're going to minus 10 from 25. And that makes it 15. That's 15 people are taking only English. And the question was asking us how many people take both. But from the question, we know that 10 people are taking both subjects. And then we're trying to now find those that are taking none at all. We're going to add the amount of people that are taking only maths and the amount of people that are taking only English, and we're going to also add those that are taking both, and that makes it 38. That means if 38 people are offering at least one of the subjects, 40, which is the total number of students, minus 38 is 2. So that means 2 people are taking none of the subjects at all. Do you understand now? Or do you have any question? Okay, I think we'll move to the next question. So in a class of 100 students, 60 passed maths, 70 passed English, 50 passed both. How many people failed both? So I'll use the same diagram to draw the Venn diagram. So I'll use the same diagram to draw the Venn diagram. So we from the question we have 60 people. 100 is the total number. As U is 100. The people that passed maths, they are 6 in number. The people that passed English, they are 7 in number. Then the people that passed both maths and English, they are 50 a number. So this is the Venn diagram for that question. It says there are 100 students in total, 60 people passed maths, 70 people passed English, and 50 people passed both maths and English. So the question is asking for how many people failed both. So the union of maths and English. So first of all, you can solve this two ways. You can decide to find the people that passed maths only, and then you find the people that passed English only. So if you find the people that passed maths only, that will be that's 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50. That will give us 10. Those that pass maths only. So to find those that pass English only, that's 70 minus 50. Sorry. That's 30. And for you to find those that got at least one subject, that passed at least one subject, that's going to be 10 plus 30 plus 50. That's 80.
Sorry to
And
interrupt.
then
70
from the way
minus
we
50
solved
is
here too is 60 plus 70 minus 50, which is basically the same thing. We're now trying to find those that failed both. Sorry, 70 minus 50 is 20. I'm so sorry. Thank you for pointing that out. 70 minus 50 is 20. Sorry. So that's 10. That's 10 plus 20 plus 50. That's 80. So we found those that passed at least one subject. So we're now looking for those that failed both. Would minus our answer from 100. There's 20 people failed both subjects. Do you understand? Do you all understand, or should I move to the next subject? The next question.
No, I do not understand. No.
So we're entering permutations. I hope we all understand the Venn diagram.
Yes, I understand the main diagram.
Okay, next thing is permutations. So permutation, when solving for permutation, like the way you're arranging the number matters. Just like phone number.